One.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, cradle lockout. Retainers. K-member bolt. Look at this bad boy. This thing actually looks bent.
Okay. That is that one. All right. So this one's gonna. There's this. Okay, I got another cradle bolt sitting here on me.
Hey, is one of those subframe bolts bent?
This one's bent.
No way, dude.
That's insane.
Wonder why that would be. Is it actually bent, or is it an optical illusion?
It looks banana, dude.
It kind of does.
It looks banana. Yeah.
Whoa. How's this one? The short one's okay?
That is definitely bent.
Oh, that is wild. I wonder, 170? Is it? I wonder if it's supposed to be that high? That's good.
What's this one?
Okay.
Is that one too?
No,
No.
this one's definitely bent.
Wow.
That is weird, really strange.
I've never seen that
Okay, did you
before.
get the front out of that one?
The front's out.
Okay, yeah, the front, I had it barely fitted in, now it's loaded, so I gotta use that thing again.
Oh. Go ahead.
Okay. There you go, Garrett. Rear. Oh,
Okay, we got the subframe is completely sitting down on your.
good.
Okay. Alrighty. At this point, we're disconnected. Now you just gotta. We're gonna just sneak up on it and see what this thing does in the front.
Yep.
And then we'll give it a little with the floor jack there. We're gonna kind of give it a little jiggle test.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Now this thing it's not super smooth on the way up, so just
Okay.
don't worry about it. But it gives a little bit of a jerk on the way up. Ready?
Go for it. Okay, go. Yeah. Go ahead. Go up again. Okay. Go up. One a little bit more. Oh yeah.
I think it's okay.
So no, yeah. So I'm giving it a little wiggle, and it doesn't seem to be.
Let me look at where my pads are under here. It's completely off the jack now, but I'm gonna leave it there.
Yeah, leave it there for now. Matter of fact, do me a favor, go up, but I want you to jack it up one more time. Because what's happening is we got the springs kind of pushing up on the body right now. Springs are trying. So as soon as the springs undo, this the car, like right now, there's a little, there's a tiny gap right here. So what that is it's actually the subframe, the springs are pushing the body up.
All right, so you want me to go up?
Yeah, just up a little bit. Okay. Okay, keep it one more time. Okay. Yeah, see now we came back down. The springs have lost enough tension that we're back on the pads.
Okay, let's do a little wiggle again. I want to see what it does.
Okay.
Oh, it's stable.
Yeah, it's stable, dude.
It's not going anywhere.
No, that was
right,
okay. All right, now, okay, Rob, go up just a smidge more because I wanna be able to reach through here and disconnect this parking brake cable.
All right, here we go.
Okay, go for it. Okay. Okay.
One more.